In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add forms to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to engage with your site visitors and gather valuable information. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you're comfortable with each part before moving on. Let's begin by navigating to wix.com in your preferred web browser. Once there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Click on Login and enter your account credentials. If you don't have a Wix account yet, you'll need to sign up first to access the site editor. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your My Sites dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all the websites you've created. Choose the website where you want to add a form by clicking on it, and then hit Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. With your site open in the editor, turn your attention to the left-hand toolbar. You'll see an Add button denoted by a plus sign. Click on that, and then you'll want to choose Contact and Forms, followed by Forms. Wix offers a variety of templates, so select a registration form template or a simple contact form. Once you've made your choice, drag and drop it onto your page where you'd like it to appear. Next, let's make the form truly yours by customizing it. Click on the form to open its settings. This is where you can tailor the fields to gather exactly the information you need. You have options like adding fields for name, email address, phone number, and even custom fields such as event type or membership ID. Don't forget to adjust the field order and labels to better suit your requirements. Having customized the form fields, it's time to set up what happens when someone submits the form. Back in the settings, find the Submit Actions section. You can set the form to send an email notification to you or your team whenever someone fills it out. Additionally, you can choose to redirect the user to a thank you page or opt to collect responses in Wix contacts, making it easier to manage your communications. Styling your form is the next step. Click the Design option to tweak colors, fonts, and the button style to ensure the form aligns with your website's theme. You can even adjust the form's background to make it stand out or blend in, whatever your preference may be. Now that everything is set, it's crucial to save your work. Click Save in the top right corner of the editor. To ensure everything appears just right, click on Preview to see how the form looks and operates. Satisfied with what you see? The final step is to click Publish. Your form is now live and ready to use on your website, allowing you to gather essential information with ease. And that's it. You've successfully added a form to your Wix website. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.